Hey guys, welcome to the Ultimate Post Kit Widget tutorial. In today's video, we will show you how to create a single-page template for your blogs using the widgets from Ultimate Post Kit add-in. To start, first, we need to go into the Ultimate Post Kit menu in your WordPress dashboard. There, go inside the Core Widgets tab and type Post in the search field. Then enable the Single Page or Single Post widget options and save settings. Now go inside the Template Builder menu on Ultimate Post Kit and click on the Add New button on top. On the pop-up window, select Single from the first field, type the template name below. Then hit the Create Template button and let the editor load. Now, you can go into the Post settings and change the page layout to Elementor Canvas. Then create a double container flexbox on the page and customize the padding values. Also, we are setting the background to white for the container. Now, for the container on the left, let's increase its width to 65% and the right container to 35%. We are also changing the background color to white and adding a border of about 10 points. We will use the bigger container for single post image. So go into the widget menu, scroll into the widget list of Ultimate Post Kit, and drag-drop the Postfeatured Image widget into the left side container. You can customize a few things about this dynamic post image widget, like the image size, margin or padding or style, such as borders, opacity, max width, etc. Then updating the page itself to save the progress. Now adding another container below the image and adjusting the padding of the container. We are also putting border the same way as before. Then let's put the post info widget inside the new container below. Consider post info as the post meta, as it displays the post author's name, publish date, and time. For now, let's change the text style through the typography option under the text section. If the text color seemed too bland, you can change the color to deep black anytime. Okay, next, let's add post title widget below the info. Also, we can work on the typography to customize the text style. If you want, you can add a hover color to the title. Back into the post info, let's also change the icon color to match the hover color, and some more color adjustments. Also, you can change the space between the info. Next, add the post content widget below the title. This widget makes the housing to show all the text and media belonging to your post. The widget can be used as an excerpt for archive pages or full content module for single posts. So, we are going with full content, then changing the font style through typography and updating the page. You can even adjust the text color based on preferences. All right, next, we will work on the right container. But before that, retouching the padding and margin on the left container. Now, let's add another container in the right part. Doing a white background and same border points here also. After some padding, let's add a regular heading widget on top. Here, you can add our newsletter form to capture leads from your visitors. Changing the typography real quick. Then, the color of the text. Now, let's add the webhook form widget by Element Pack for the newsletter. For your information, webhook form is a customizable form that lets you pull data from the site to your target email CRM. And it's a feature of Element Pack. But you can use any kind of newsletter form. Let's customize the form to set our specific needs. You can customize the webhook form widget to change the interface design to something like this. We are fast forwarding, but if you want to check it out, we will give a video link of it below. After that, let's place a text editor on top of the form. This is to add a captivating text to remind visitors and asking them to subscribe using the form. You can copy-paste the text editor to add a bunch of content below also. Then a final touch to the heading here, and then padding customization for the right container. Now let's just copy-paste the container below. Let's remove the form and texts. Now change the heading text. We want this part for social share links. So search and drag drop the social share widget of Ultimate Post Kit below the second heading. These are the links, 4 of them by default. You can tweak the options to change the layout a bit and go for some appearance change. Done. Now let's put another container below it. Same background border configuration as before. Then search and drag drop the featured list widget of Ultimate Post Kit in the container, copy-pasting demo style to the list. We can use it to help visitors navigate more blogs easily. Let's edit this container for the padding, and almost finished. Before saving it, let's check the current single post layout from the Posts dashboard. This is the plain old layout. Now go back to the template builder on Ultimate Post Kit. Let's change the single page template status to active and update. Back on the post page, reload it and see the new magical single post interface. This is how you can quickly and very easily create dynamic single page templates with Ultimate Post Kit and make your blogs extraordinary, as well as outperform your competitors. Hope this video helped. Thanks for being with us. Please like, share, and subscribe to get more tutorials, tips, tricks, videos, and updates. Stay safe and see you next time.